Welcome to the Part-Time Preppers. We're going to do a review of something very special to him. So stay tuned. Okay, we're back. Yes, we're going to review this Little Maid, this automatic cat litter boxes. I never thought much of them, and a very nice person gave us this. Yes, given this, and we have 4 cats. We used to only have 1 and 2, and now we're up to 4. I think that's our limit. But we're going to do a quick review on this. We've had it actually for, I'd say, about 8 weeks now, and I kept the box, and now I'm going to be chucking it. So I thought I'd show you this, and that's what gave me the idea to do the video. And use only hard clumping litter. Yes. And I'll give you a demonstration down in the bowels of our house where this cat litter is, or this cat box. And here we go. Load receptacle and charcoal filter. See that little white, I don't know, plastic thing there? That's where the doo-doo goes. And we still have the same one, although you can get new ones, replacements. But we just put a plastic, like dollar store bag on that white part there. I'll show you. And here we go. It goes batteries, or you can plug it in. We plug ours in. Batteries compartment takes 8 AA batteries, so that's why we plug ours in. But here you go. That's what it includes. And yeah, we've had it for 8 weeks, no problem. So let's take you downstairs and show you an up-close, in-action view. How exciting. There you go. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Before we get to the excitement of the cat box, just going to show you 2 types of cat litter. Now this is your basic cat litter for a non-electronic cat box, self-cleaner, whatever you want to call it. But this is just the basic cheap stuff. Sam's Club, Walmart, $1.25, $1.50 a bag, small bag. You cannot use that with like the Litter Maid or any type of electronic. You need the lightweight, all the strength, half the weight. Yes. Now this, and it clumps. You want clumping, tight clumps. This is definitely more expensive. However, you use much, much less of this than you do that, in my opinion, anyway. So, a couple types of cat litter there, and let's get to the excitement now. Okay, we're back. Finally, the big show. This is an extra large, just regular old-fashioned cat box, and yeah, we probably put about 14, 16 pounds of cat litter every week in it. So you're constantly buying cat litter, clean it every day, and then I just grab the bag, which I guess a lot of people do, and just pull it out, and there you go. Put a new bag in. So you got to put a new bag in there every week. And here, finally, the Litter Maid. I guess there's many brands. Like I said, this was given to us. I don't know how much they even run. I never really thought much about them or thought they'd break. Now, we've only had this, been using this since after New Year's. But boy, I really like it. Like I said, you take this. Now, this box, we had a very small one. I want to say half the weight of this. And we used it for a few weeks. And yeah, this still has some in it. I still got another change or two. So really, I mean, you buy a big box like this and you have like 1 or 2 cats, you're going to be good for a while. You won't be going every week. You'll be going once a month to get cat litter, at best every other month even. So here, I'll give you a quick demonstration. A lot of shadows in this garage, but here, you can turn it on if you want to. It's on all the time, the green light. I don't know if you can see it. There you go, it's on. You hit the button, turn it off, hit the button again, and it'll, yeah, there you go. Then it'll just run for you. And whatever's there, if it's urination, it'll turn into a ball and it just picks it up. What a great topic, isn't it? But anyway, and if it gets clogged in the teeth, which once in a while it does, so you can see a little speck there, I just have an old screwdriver. There you go, and I take it out. So it just lifts it up enough to throw it into the receptacle. Here, I'll just flip this up. See the excitement of it going back. But there you go. And there's a little plastic thing on the bottom. We haven't had to get a new one yet, although you can buy ones. They're just a piece of plastic, but we just put dollar store bags over them, and then just take the bag out. So that's worked well. Now the main thing with this, you don't want to put too much in. There's a little line. I don't think you're going to see it in this light. Don't fill it past the line. The first time we used it, I put a little too much in, and I had to take some out because it'll clog it up and bind it. It won't go back all the way and lift up. So that is the main thing. That's probably why a lot of them break. So you don't. That's the number one rule. Don't put too much cat litter, which is good because you're saving money that way. And there you go. There it is. So that's about it for our little review. I'm trying to think of anything else to say. Yes, we plug ours in. There's the wire. You can put batteries. I think it was 8 AA batteries goes in there, but we haven't tried the batteries yet. But just keep mine plugged in. The cats seem happy with it. They use them both. It's good. It's just like having 4 people in the family. It's nice to have 2 toilets. There's our cat toilets. Has a little ramp too. So that's about it for this quick review of the Litter Maid box. Like I said, I guess there's other brands, but this one I'm going to give it 4 stars so far. So we'll see. Like I said, we only use it in a couple of months. But no trouble, easy. That's all I got to say. So there you go. Treat your cat good. And remember, if you're pregnant, a little health tip. Do not let your wife or girlfriend do the cat litter because we don't want no toxoplasmosis. And if you don't know what that is, you can look it up. You don't want a pregnant woman ever cleaning cat litter. So there's a little health tip at the end for you. So that's it. Take care. Be good. Till next time. So long, and thanks for watching.